In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put Peso sign in WPS. This method is simple, reliable, and very helpful when you are working with documents that involve prices, budgets, or financial details. Instead of memorizing shortcuts or changing complex settings, you can quickly insert the Peso sign using a copy and paste approach that works smoothly inside WPS. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Peso symbol and run the search. You will immediately see several Peso symbols displayed in the results. Any Peso symbol you see there will work, so you do not need to worry about choosing a specific one. Carefully select one Peso symbol from the results and copy it. After copying the symbol, switch back to your WPS document. Make sure the page is open and ready where you want the Peso sign to appear. Place your cursor in the exact position where the symbol should be inserted. This helps ensure the formatting stays clean and the symbol appears in the correct spot within your text or numbers. Next, right-click on the page inside WPS. A menu will appear with several options. Look for the paste icon and you will notice a small drop-down beside it. Click on that drop-down to reveal additional paste options. From the list, click on Unformatted Text. This step is important because it removes any extra styling and keeps the symbol consistent with your document. Once you choose Unformatted Text, the Peso sign will appear exactly where your cursor was placed. At this point, you can continue typing normally, and the symbol will remain part of your document. You can repeat the same process anytime you need to insert the Peso sign again, whether it is for tables, paragraphs, or financial summaries. This approach is especially useful if you are working on reports, invoices, or any document where currency symbols are needed frequently. It avoids formatting conflicts and ensures that the symbol blends properly across different sections of your file. Taking a moment to paste the symbol correctly can make your document look more professional and easier to read. With this method, you do not need special tools or advanced settings. As long as you can copy the symbol and use the paste options in WPS, you can add the Peso sign whenever needed. This makes it a practical solution for both beginners and experienced users. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.